Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I enhance my blowout with ceramic thermal rollers. It was very easy and it gave me this beautiful bouncy blowout with tons of volume. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so my hair is freshly washed and I'm ready to put in my hair care products. I've already sprayed in the Amika The Wizard Detangling Primer and Frizz Me Not Hydrating Anti-Frizz Treatment. And I'm going to apply the Amika Water Sign Hydrating Hair Oil. The detangling primer helps protect against heat damage and reduces blow dry time. The hydrating anti-frizz treatment helps fight frizz and hydrates hair while protecting against humidity and heat damage. And the hair oil helps lock in moisture and protects from heat and future breakage. And I'm just working that from my mid-lengths to ends. I will then detangle my hair with my wet brush one more time before going in with the Amika Plus Size Perfect Body Mousse. This helps add long-lasting volume and body, and it protects against heat for up to 450 degrees. I'm going to apply about a golf ball sized amount into my palms and apply this from my roots to ends. Then I'm going to go in with a quick rough dry and blow dry using my Heritage Ceramic Volumizing Blow Dryer brush. I have a full tutorial of how I use it in my hair care routine video, and I will link it here in this video and in the description box below. Now we get into the fun part. We're going to be using the Kitsch Ceramic Thermal Rollers, and you need some curl clips as well as the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil, or whatever oil you prefer. This one is my favorite. So I'm just going to apply this after the blow dry before we put in the rollers, just to give it a little extra shine and hydration. So in one package there are 8 rollers, 2 large, 4 medium, and 2 small. I have very thick hair and I could definitely use more rollers, but I'm going to show you guys how to work all 8 rollers onto your one head. And so we're first going to start off by sectioning off the top half of her hair. I'm going to split the lower half into 2 sections, and we are going to work the 2 large rollers into these sections. So because these are thermal rollers, they need warmth to work off of. So I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer brush and add a little bit of warmth to each section and then apply the roller. So you want to make sure your section is nice and smooth and tangle free, and then take the roller, wrap the ends, and go ahead and just wrap it all the way up to your head. Make sure to really take your time and move slowly. You don't want to get clips tangled up in your hair and rollers stuck in your hair. So make sure to take your time. Once you get the roller rolled all the way up to your head, you can secure it with a clip on either side for best security. If you can hold it with just one clip, then you're good to go. I'm then going to repeat it on the other side. Apply it a couple inches from the ends, wrap the ends, tuck them in, and you can roll the roller all the way up to your head. It seems fairly easy to me because I've had so much practice. I learned how to do these years ago when I was in cosmetology school. Gosh, how long ago was that? 8 years now? Yeah, 9 years. Oh my gosh. But take your time, you'll get it. And look, one side is more secure than the other, and that's totally okay. I'm just going to go ahead and move on to the next section, and I'm going to split that in half as well. I'm going to use the 4 medium-sized rollers on this middle section here. So again, I'm going to add some heat to these sections and roll up the ends just to make sure they're nice and rounded and ready for the rollers. I like to take the section straight out from where it lives. Don't lift it up too high. Don't keep the section lowered. You can see the section is coming out straight 90 degrees out from my head. And it just makes it easiest for wrapping the roller. especially with these lower sections here. Once we get to the top section, we're going to hyperextend the section a little bit. You'll see it when I get there. Yeah.
Is your hold hands bracelet on your right or left?
I put all my bracelets on my left. Yeah, I'm filming a video. I love you.
Sorry.
After my handsome fiance made an appearance, we are going to move on to the top section, and I'm going to use the 2 small rollers on this section of hair. All right, so here is where the hyperextension comes into play. You can see I'm bringing the section of hair straight down towards my face. It is not coming up 90 degrees up from where the section of hair lives. And I'm going to roll this up. This is going to give me maximum volume, and I'm going to clip this on both sides just so I get maximum security. It is okay if some hair falls out of the side, like you can see here. If you need to rewrap it. Just make sure to unravel it slowly and take your time and you'll get it. Then we're going to move on to the front section, and we're going to repeat the same thing. After we add some heat, we are going to hyperextend and bring it straight down towards our face, and then roll it up. You also want to make sure that the top section of your hair, that you're rolling the rollers away from your face and not down in towards your face. Just wanted to clarify that for you. Once this roller is secured on both sides, we're going to go in with the Kenra Volume Spray Super Hold Finishing Spray and give that a light spray all over. And this is just going to help keep the hold. I'm going to let these rollers sit on for about 10 to 20 minutes. You can let them sit on as long as you would like, as long as they have enough time to cool and set in place. All right, so we are back, and I'm going to unclip and slowly unravel each roller. You can roll them out the same way you rolled them in, or you can give them a little twist, whatever your heart desires. All right, so I just unraveled the last roller, and I'm going to throw it back, and volume. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this bounce and this volume and body? Oh my goodness. It's so gorgeous. I don't even have a super crazy heavy layered haircut, and for me to have this much volume and body is crazy. So imagine if you guys have a very heavy layered haircut, imagine what the body and bounce and volume is gonna look like. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got super carried away. Now that we're all done, I'm going to take my Kenra Luxe Shine oil. Oh my God, I love this stuff so much. Just about a pump, apply that into my palms and apply that from my ends and work my way up. And it's just gonna tame the flyaways and smooth out my strands and give me a lustrous, luxurious feel. But yeah, these are the end results. I'm absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you'd like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!